Hello, everyone. My name is Aruna Patam, and I'm going to be covering today the intersection of AI and Metaverse. Metaverse is the latest buzzword in the tech industry, and it is not hard to see why. The world is becoming more digital. Physical assets are now being converted into digital assets at a rapid pace. Even our social interactions are becoming increasingly online. We are now buying, selling, and trading in a digital world. I see metaverse is a natural extension to this digital trend that's currently happening. And to me, a metaverse is the digital world that mirrors and extends our real world where people can interact with each other and also they can interact with the digital assets. Now, metaverse has become extremely popular and has got a huge potential. So much so that even Facebook recently changed its name to Meta. That clearly indicates the potential of metaverse for the future. Now, AI has got a huge role to play in metaverse. AI now has been commonly used in many real world applications from healthcare to finance to manufacturing. We are seeing AI applications for helping identifying fraudulent transactions in predictive maintenance to identify failures before it can happen. We can also use AI for predicting diseases such as cancer, heart attack, and so on. We are also using recommendation systems for recommending products to our customers. Face recognition in security systems are also using AI. So there are many applications where AI is enabling. And as AI is enabling the real world applications, Metaverse is also being powered by AI. AI can enable and take it to a really next level by being very inclusive and immersive for metaverse. I can see a lot of applications of AI in metaverse. Just to highlight a few, AI ops can help metaverse. In metaverse, we want the platform to be extremely robust, always available, and highly scalable, which can all be very demanding. And AI ops can help in monitoring and managing the digital assets in metaverse. For example, if an organization's usage of metaverse is spiking, you can use AI ops to identify the issue and address before it becomes a major problem. We can use AI bots. AI chatbots have been extremely popular across businesses. We can use them for variety of tasks like customer service, marketing, sales, and so on. Now, for example, the customers can ask AI chatbot about the where a particular product is located, and the chatbot can provide the direction and the location of the product in the metaverse. AI can also help for an inclusive user interfaces. In metaverse, we want everyone, people of all gender, all abilities, to be able to use the platform. To enable this, we need inclusive interfaces which can be used by everyone, and that's where AI can really help. For example, a user interface designed with the voice activation can help people with vision impairment to be able to use the platform. We can also see AI being used for creating digital avatars. In metaverse, people interact with each other using digital avatars, and AI can help in creating realistic avatars. For example, you can use computer vision to track movements and also facial expressions. You can use natural language processing to understand what the people are speaking, or you can use machine learning to learn the behaviors of the people and so on. And also remote working, which is becoming more popular, it can become a reality with AI in metaverse. AI can create realistic simulation of meeting rooms, office spaces, whiteboards, and so on and so forth. So, I can keep going. The applications of AI is endless, but at the same time, we need to be also mindful of the implications of AI in metaverse. We need to ask the right question. What is the impact of metaverse to the economy? What are the ethical implications of AI in metaverse? And also, how is it going to change the way we socialize, interact with each other? We need to take all of that into consideration while we are using AI in metaverse. Just as a final note, I would like to say that AI is rapidly changing the landscape of metaverse. There is potential, endless potential. While it is promising, we also need to be very mindful of its implication so that AI and metaverse is used for the society as a whole.